All right, now we're gonna do a little range pistol qualifying. 30 feet, 15 yards. No, that'd be 15 yards. About 30, that's about 30 feet.
It'd be 10 yards, 10 meters, 30 feet.
I don't even know what a meter is.
3 feet.
Brett's going first.
Right.
Bucket on the right. That one there just didn't want to go.
That was his warning shot.
My warning shot.
There you go.
I ain't slammed for the bottom of that thing.
Look at him make it dance.
That's it.
Going hot?
Going hot. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, your turn, Kneecap. That's his code name, Kneecap.
Range is hot.
Two, 3, 4.
Four out.
Jam.
No.
Yeah.
It's
All right.
It's compact.